Hello, Cricketers, and welcome to Cricketing with Delonda. It's me again, Delonda, and thank you so much for joining me today. You see my little friends right here, so you already know what's about to happen. So let's get into it. Let's see. Y'all ready? Are y'all excited? You look excited because your eyes are really big. Your eyes are super big. Hopefully y'all have a friend in here, because I remember what happened that time when there was no friend. Y'all remember what happened when there was no friend in the box? They just didn't take it well. They did not take it very well. So we hope that never happens again. Let's see. Ooh, look, you guys. This is exciting. Ooh, there is a friend. You have a friend. We'll save him for last. We'll save your friend for last. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so the first thing I see is premium vinyl metallic mosaic. It is called rose gold, and it is one sheet, and it's 12 by 48 inches. So I think I do want to open this up. Okay, it's 12 by 48. Look at that. Look at how fancy. OMG. Okay, so you see how long that is. 4 feet. Premium. Oh, and it's permanent vinyl. That is very, very pretty. And it gives you a project idea right here on the packaging. So if you're wondering, how can I use that? They have it on a glass jar. That is very, very pretty. Let's see what this is. Glitter iron-on. It is gold, one sheet, 12 by 19 inches. Okay, so it's a little bit over 1.5 feet. This is, I'm not gonna open that one. We know what glitter vinyl is. This is glitter iron-on mesh, one sheet, also 12 by 19 inches. Now I am going to open this because I don't think I've ever seen this or used this before. Okay, so there is that. That's the full length of the sheet, 12 by 19. The question that I get asked all the time, how do you get a mystery box? My best piece of advice every single time is to stay tuned right here on my channel. You can always check my community tab. You can always check my Instagram page. I always post it there, and I always post it in my Facebook group. And if you're wondering, well, how do I know where your Facebook group is? Everything, all of my social media platform links are linked below this video. So if you go below the description box, you'll see a little bitty little arrow. You might click the button that says see more. If you click that, you will see the option to, oh, this is the glitter iron-on that I said I wasn't going to open. You will be able to see all of the links. For most of these mystery boxes, you do have to be a Cricut Access member. I also have a link below if you want to do a trial basis of Cricut Access. So everything you need, all of the information is linked below this video, okay? All right. So let's see what's next. This one is called the Gold Rush Mystery Box, and as we can see why. This one is adhesive foil, and it is 12 by 48 inches, so it's the same length as the first, it's the same length as this. Okay, so it's 4 feet long, and they also give you product ideas on the front, adhesive foil, okay? I'm not gonna open that one either, and let's see what this one is. This one is glitter iron-on black gold. Now I am excited about this because I have never tried this color. I have used glitter iron-on before, but I haven't ever seen this color, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. And I am going to open it, even though it's glitter vinyl, and we have used glitter vinyl before. Most of us have. I am not familiar with this color, and of all the rolls of vinyl that I have, I know for a fact that I don't have this color. So I'm super excited about this one. I was actually super excited about this whole box. Super excited. Let's see. Look at that. Look at how pretty that is. That is beautiful. Hopefully you can see just the beauty of the color of that. That is very nice. All right. This box also came with a metallic marker pen set, and all of the pens are the 1-point tip. Okay, so there are 5, and it says write and draw flawlessly. Always prime pens before use to ensure ink is ready. So you use these when you are using cardstock and you want your Cricut cutting machine to write the message for you. And let's see. These are the multi-pen set in gold. Okay, and these are, there's one that is 8/10, there's 1.0, and then there are two that are 2.0 tips and one that is a 2.5 tip. Let me open this. Okay, so there's one. Oh, this is a gel tip glitter gold pen. That's very pretty. Let me write on the box. So that one looks like that. That's pretty. That's very pretty. Let's see. This is, ooh, fancy. See that? Ooh, I don't have these. That was a 1.0. This is a 2.0, 2.0 to be more exact. Oh, it's a much thicker. As you can tell, I love my name. And this one is 2.5. Okay. Fancy, fancy, fancy. I love, love, love. Okay, put these right here for now. How do you store your pens? Do you store them facing up or facing down? I store mine facing down, but I would love to know how you store yours. All right, but wait, there's more. There is a roll of one sheet 12 by 48 premium vinyl, and this is removable and it's gold. But wait, there's more. There's also, let's see, foil transfer sheets. There are 8 sheets and they are 12 by 12. So they are the same size as a standard grip mat. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. All of the sheets. Let me pick them up. Yeah, they're all this color. Very, very pretty. And it comes with adhesive that you use to keep the paper on the mat. So very, very nice. Very, very nice. Now I have to be honest and say I have not mastered using foil sheets just yet. So this gives me inspiration to keep trying. I'm gonna put this back in there later. All right, so that is it. I've opened everything that's in this box. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rolls of vinyl, and then a package of foil transfer sheets, and then 2 packages of pens or markers. And now we have our little friend, and we will see. Let's see. Let's put you in the front. Since these are your friends, we can put you in the front too. Okay, so let's see what we have in here. Y'all ready? This thing better be, look at how cute. Look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Look at, he matches my shirt. Look at the vinyl on my shirt. Look. You just better be cute. Cutie. They have the right name. They gave him the right name. Now, he almost matches this one. Y'all can be best friends. Did y'all say hi to your friend? Y'all say hi to your friend. Okay, good. They said it. You couldn't hear them, but they said it. All right, so if you found this unboxing helpful, if you found the information helpful about how to get a mystery box, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell for notifications because I do upload new content every single week. Thank you so much for joining us today, and thanks for watching. Bye.